So we are just going to start by making a bunch of slices through this piece. These slices won't be all the way through the piece though. Now I'm just going to crack this apart where those slices were and it should be bendy. Now with this piece I cut about 95% of the way through it. Now I'm just going to glue it down. Now we take this and I'm going to do two 45-degree cuts almost the whole way through it to create it 90 degrees. This will just make it a bit bendable. Now just glue it down. Seal this up with glue. And now just repeat that whole process with the other side. The 45-degree cuts and glue it on. Now I'm going to cut the edge here to make it a bit sharper. You can over up any mistakes with tape and we will fix it later. This part will be pretty simple. I'm just going to glue these pieces into a sort of cube shape. And in case you didn't catch it earlier, there's a link in the description to templates. Okay, there we go. Now with this part of the build I'm going to cut the edges in a 45-degree angle on every piece. Now I'm just going to glue these together. It's pretty self-explanatory from here. If you end up with a mistake like this you can just cover it up with tape. Once again I have cut these pieces with 45-degree angles on the edges. This piece is number 4. I have numbered about 5 pieces that look similar on the template so you can know the difference. So glue the top on and add pieces 5 to the corners. Now we are going to flip this over and add piece number 3. Glue on the top and add pieces number 2 on. Now just glue on piece number 1. Glue on the circle now. There we go. That part's done. Now I'm going to glue these 3 parts together and it will start to look like Stormbreaker. So now I'm going to take these strange shaped pieces from the template and glue the 2 smaller ones on the outside of the large one. And then just glue this on. Now I'm going to take this small piece of PVC pipe to trace circles on the bottom and top. I'm going to cut them out. Then take this piece of PVC pipe that's about 30 inches and shove it through. I'm then going to glue this circle on the top. Now cut this toilet paper roll and roll it up tighter and tape it. Take these and piece them together on the end of the handle. Bend it a bit and smother it in tape. I slid this other toilet paper roll onto it for some extra support. I'm now going to roll up multiple pieces of newspaper in a variety of sizes. Then just glue these on the handle all the way up, forming a wooden pattern. Then twist up some newspaper and glue it on Stormbreaker. Do it to both sides so it looks like that. I glued on some more so it made an X shape, but I didn't get that on camera. So now I'm going to take some water and Elmer's paper mache and mix it up. Then take some paper squares and stick them on the foam board part, not the newspaper. So now I'm going to start painting. They were out of brown paint at the store, So I'm just mixing up some blue and orange and it works just as well. I started painting the newspaper. I tried cotton balls but eventually changed to a paintbrush. After that I am going to paint the metal part with grey paint. And then you are done. Please subscribe, click the bell, and share this video. Thanks.